Hello and welcome back to Stock Markets with KR Daily Market Analysis of Bank Nifty and Nifty. चलिए देखते हैं आज मार्केट में जबरदस्त गिरावट आ चुकी है and it fell, as you can see, from here to here. There was 350 points fall, and if you have seen the video yesterday, you would have noticed that इस वीडियो के अंदर, इस चार्ट के अंदर जो शेर खान का ट्रेड टाइगर है, उसमें मैंने पहले से ही लाइन लगा के रखी है. And the indices are moving exactly in line. From this line, they skipped all these lines and then halted here. Then resistance over here, support over here, resistance over here, support over here, support over here, and finally resistance over here, taking support over here, and that's how the day ended. Extreme volatility, 26.66 के पर इंडिया विक्स खत्म हुआ है, 20% जंप इंट्राडे बेसिस पे. और ये था निफ्टी का हाल. निफ्टी का OHLC देख लेते हैं टू फॉर यू टू गेट दिस आइडिया. दिस इज द OHLC. यू कैन लुक एट इट एंड प्लीज स्टे टिल एंड ऑफ द वीडियो बिकॉज काफी सारे लोग हैं जो जंपिंग जैक है वो वीडियो को खत्म नहीं करते हैं, सीधा निकल जाते हैं. यू विल बी द लूजर, माइंड यू, राइट? स्टे ट्यून्ड बिकॉज नॉलेज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स आर आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. 16,800 के आसपास थर्ड टाइम निफ्टी घुमा है. 809, 839, 843. विथ ईच retest it is closing making a higher low, which is a good thing, but at the same time it is not a good thing if the price keeps on testing the lower levels. कभी कभी एक झटके में वो तोड़ के नीचे और जा सकता है. यही एक प्रॉब्लम है रीटेस्ट होने के लिए. बैंक निफ्टी में देखते हैं क्या हाल है बैंक निफ्टी का. दिस इज वेयर इट इज. अगेन स्टीप 800 पॉइंट का गैप डाउन था और थोड़ा नीचे गया. लेकिन इफ यू ऑब्जर्व बैंक दिस निफ्टी लो over here and the open, not much of a difference, just 6 points, just 4 points. बैंक निफ्टी also खाली 15 पॉइंट का डिफरेंस है, 833 and 814. So this is as good as open is equal to low, and if some smart fellow would have taken a trade from here to here ideally, then he would have minted money. आपने किया कि नहीं, मैंने किया कि नहीं, वो इम्पोर्टेंट. मैंने किया कि नहीं वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, आपने किया कि नहीं वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. मैं 1 रुपया कमाऊं या लाख रुपया कमाऊं, उससे आपको फायदा नहीं होगा. बट इफ यू नीड टू लर्न एंड अंडरस्टैंड, एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव ड्रॉन दिस RSI लाइन, 40-60 support and 20 moving average, 50 moving average, and these are the pivot points plus Fibonacci support levels, and these are working like magic. You have seen intraday support, Fibonacci support, 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 intraday resistance, and 50 moving average support. So this is how it is, friends. And बैंक निफ्टी का OHLC देख लेते हैं. Please stay till the end of the video. Please, you will get to see great insights. 37,000 breached on the downside, 36,818. And again, this is the third time that 36,000 has been 37,000 has been breached. 36,800, 36,651, and today 36,818. तो ये हाल है. बैंक निफ्टी डाउन बाय 313 पॉइंट्स. 841 points is the total movement that Nifty gave, बैंक निफ्टी gave between high and low. 0.83% की टोटल गिरावट है बैंक निफ्टी में. And let's look at the Bank Nifty daily chart. How does it look like? So Bank Nifty daily chart, fortunately it has closed above 58 DMA. See, it has come very close to, in fact this is the closest that it has come in the last few days to 200 DMA. वहां से लेके 50 DMA के ऊपर क्लोज होना is not a small thing. It's a very good sign. And if you see, though RSI is resisting 50, but it has not come anywhere near 50, so it's also a good sign. Let's look at Nifty, which had a resistance. Oh, Nifty का देखो, ये उसने फिबोनाची लेवल पे सपोर्ट लिया. ये उसका 200 DMA भी है, and that is the reason why it has bounced. You see, technical things, simple things work like magic. तो अगर आप अपने प्रोसेस पे भरोसा रखते तो आपको कितना अच्छा फायदा हो सकता था. And I am sure all of you have done, because you are watching this, stock markets with KR channel since almost 1.5 years time. And this is the Ritik stocks plus SBI. If you see, TCS is the biggest loser. Intraday basis पे 3% की गिरावट थी इसके अंदर. And surprisingly, Kotak Bank was the least loser, and that is what kept Bank Nifty on the upside. HDFC also supported, Infosys also supported. In fact, it came down. It, I think, made a high of 1751, but in the last half an hour or so, it came down severely. So let's look at the Ritik stocks movement on a day-to-day basis. This is hanging in the air. आपको काफी सब स्टॉक ऐसे ही दिखेंगे. So you will have to use your intelligence to find a good entry. 20 DMA resistance on HDFC once again. So your call, what will happen, right? HDFC बैंक देखो, वापस 50 DMA के ऊपर, 20 के ऊपर, 200 के ऊपर, ये 200 के नीचे है. And this is the problem. 1530, 1520 is the problem area for HDFC. RSI well placed at 50. ICICI hanging, here and there, going everywhere. Same is Infosys. Infosys also, it looks good, but it is actually not a good thing, because ये जो है यहाँ से ब्रीच नहीं कर पा रहा है. 50 के ऊपर आज है, कल शायद हो ना हो मालूम नहीं है. Because there is something wrong with IT scripts. Just because Nasdaq is beaten down in US technical IT company का stock है Nasdaq US में, उसकी वजह से ये सारे यहाँ पे बवाल मची हुई है. कोटक बैंक, wow, what a scandal. But the problem is 20 DMA 50 DMA का रेजिस्टेंस है. ये उसका हमेशा का प्रॉब्लम रहता है. So we have to see, as of now, SGX Nifty indicating 90 points gap up for tomorrow. But आज और कल के बीच में 10-12 घंटे का लंबा सा सफर है. So there is, I mean, more than 14 hours, between today and as of now, which is around 4:30 and 9:15. So long way to go for Kotak Bank. And let us now look at Reliance. Reliance above 20 DMA, but 50 DMA resistance. But it came once again closer to 200 DMA. And this is the problem area. लेकिन Reliance का 2400 के नीचे जब तक close होता रहेगा, तब तक there will be inherent weakness. KR had exited on this candle. Yeah. SBI, this is a bad thing. SBI 50 DMA के नीचे close हो गई candle, which is not a good sign. And TCS, yesterday only I had mentioned कि वो नीचे आ सकता है. I think there was some Fibonacci. There is a Fibonacci level over here. 200 DMA of TCS. ये देखिए 200 DMA के आसपास वो एक्चुअली टच तो कभी नहीं किया है. देखिए TCS की यहाँ पे टच हुआ है, which was in 2020 में टच हुआ था. उसके बाद टच भी नहीं हुआ है. And this is the closest that it has come to its 200 DMA. So in my opinion, this is a good buy, and that is why I partially liquidated one of the debt funds and hoping to enter TCS tomorrow. Let's see how the market is tomorrow. Let's look at the top 5 contributors. This is what that's the reason why I told you not to go and stay till the end of the video. HDFC, ये जो है ये top 5 gainers है. Nifty's lifters, Nifty's draggers, and same way Bank Nifty का top 3 I calculate. Today there was only Kotak Bank and there were 3 draggers. This is how it is, right? So and these are the trading insights. Before that, let us look at the support levels. 16,800, 900 for tomorrow. D-1 to expiry, so it is likely to be yet another volatile day. Resistances are everywhere for Nifty. Bank Nifty ka support on a closing basis 37,000, 37,200. These are the levels, resistance levels. These are the trading insights. I will pause for a few seconds so that you can pause the video for longer and read this Mind you, this is the most important thing that you need to read and be aware of if you have not participated in the market throughout the day. And if you have, then it is a good idea to compare notes with what was your understanding, what is my understanding. And if my understanding में कुछ 19-20 है, तो please do not hesitate to share your insights, and it will help both of us to grow together. So how did you like this video? If you liked it, please share and subscribe the video. And until we meet again the next time, keep learning and keep taking calculated and manageable risk. Okay, friends, thank you for listening and happy trading.